Hello, and welcome to another update video about Pepe chart. Quick reminder of where we are here in this cycle. It's actually not a bad looking chart. It's actually looking quite good. There are two higher level perspectives that you can take here on this chart, in my opinion. The first one is the more bullish one, which is the white scenario, wave 1, wave 2. The third wave is basically, unfolding right now. Then a fourth wave and a fifth wave. So this third wave is still due to be finished. So we are looking for higher prices still. And then a fourth and a fifth should happen. That's broadly aligned with the overall Bitcoin chart as well. In the yellow count, this here was an AB. The problem is that the initial startup candles are always very unreliable, but this could be an AB and we're now in a C wave. This is more a risk management count, because what it tells us is that this C wave could top at any time, but we are still going to watch if a fourth wave support holds. Literally, it's quite good because in both scenarios, higher prices are still expected. Yeah, because in the short term, it feels like one more like 4-5 pattern, on the smaller time frame is missing to complete like these both of these structures. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, then we can see that here, this was the last time really a larger degree fourth wave bottom. That was in April. Since then, the market is moving up, and I'm counting that as sort of an A, B, C structure here. Other interpretations are surely possible. It's just that all of this looks like a large sort of diagonal pattern, that's why I'm tracking the fifth wave as an ABC structure. I will take this support zone out. We don't need it anymore. I did leave it on the chart because I said it could be that this here is another high B wave, but it's not. So take that out. I can also take that out. Clears the chart up a little bit. And yeah, what are we looking at here? First of all, I think we can add, I wanted to do that yesterday, kind of forgot about it. We can add a trend line here, which could give us a hint of where next support might be found. Yeah, which might be here in this support zone. There are two wave counts basically that I'm looking at here. So actually, let me just, so in the white count, actually, this would be a WXY, not an ABC. WXY in an A wave. Then we have a B wave pullback, which was quite shallow, and we're now in a C wave to the upside. I mean, if that happens, this C wave would be quite high. I don't really fully trust this. Yeah, it would be way higher actually. Where would it send us? That just has to do with the fact that this would be an A wave, this would be a B wave. So we're looking for the 100% extension, which would be up there. I don't sort of fully trust this, but this could be, that this takes us to 248076. Yeah, it's one target, possible white C wave target, and it's just far away, okay? And I don't fully trust it because this B wave is so shallow. Now, in another scenario, and I haven't fully labeled this, I will do that now. We have seen here an AB, and then we have here a diagonal pattern, which will be quite similar, but it's just slightly different. Let me just find the right color tone, actually. Okay, here we have, adjusting the wave degree. From this low in April, a wave A to the upside, a wave B pullback, and all of this is basically a C wave as an ending diagonal. 1, 2, and then A, B, C. This could be finished nearly. Then this would be a fourth wave, and we just need one more high in wave 5, and then wave 3 would basically finish there. So that's sort of what I'm watching. The overall question is, of course, is it a larger C wave or a third wave? I think we're looking at a third wave as long as conditions in the crypto market remain somewhat favorable, somewhat bullish. So that means the support zone is for a wave 4 in a diagonal, which means I have to include the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement. It's going down to 101.363. Most likely, I think we should be targeting sort of the middle middle area of this support zone, which is defined between 110,463 and 120,381. And then we could still get one more high in wave 5. These are the fips that actually in the orange count shouldn't really be broken to the upside. So we'll see 185,619 as the highest, but above that, this upper one will become relevant. So yeah, these are the two scenarios. In both, however, I'm still looking for higher prices. But obviously, this is the pullback that at some point is expected. I see that as part of the structure. So this pullback could be one more opportunity for anybody who's looking for long positions, but it's only a wave 4 with just one more wave to come before an even larger pullback is starting. Just be aware this, I can only highlight this at the moment as risk. So this is the risk that we have. Okay, I'm not telling you the pullback has started because there's no sign until we break below the red line at 138, 103 roughly. The pullback from the highs was in 3 waves. I don't really have a reliable micro count here within the 3 wave because it could be completed, but it could always stretch a bit higher. Therefore, until we break below that red line, there's no top in place at all. And the next upside target would be here, 175,583. That's my update about Pepe. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.